The process of printing money is typically carried out by government agencies such as central banks or treasury departments. While I can provide a general overview of the process, please note that specific details may vary depending on the country and its monetary system. Design. The first step is to create the design for the currency notes. This involves the selection of artwork, security features, and the inclusion of relevant symbols or figures. As engraving. Highly skilled engravers create detailed master dies or plates for printing. These plates contain the intricate elements of the design, such as portraits, serial numbers, and intricate patterns. Paper production. Special paper, typically made from a combination of cotton and linen fibres, is used for printing money. This paper is often produced by specialised mills that incorporate security features like watermarks, security threads, or embedded fibres. Security features. Various security features are incorporated during the printing process to deter counterfeiting. These features may include security threads, holograms, microprinting, colour-changing inks, or ultraviolet and infrared inks that are visible under specific lighting conditions. Printing currency notes are printed using a process called intaglio printing. In this method, the ink is applied to recessed areas of the printing plate, which are then pressed onto the paper. This technique creates raised ink on the paper, resulting cutting and inspection. Once printed, the large sheets of currency are cut into individual notes. The notes then undergo a rigorous inspection process to ensure quality control, including checking for printing errors, proper alignment, and detecting any counterfeits or storage and distribution. The printed currency is securely stored until it is ready for distribution. Central banks or authorised entities handle the distribution of money to financial institutions, which then circulate it among the public. It's important to note that the process involves stringent security measures at each stage to prevent counterfeiting and ensure the integrity of the currency. Additionally, advances in technology have led to the development of more sophisticated security features to stay ahead of counterfeiters.